This is the monthly chart on Carnival. I have a target at $25, and it's been a pretty good year for Carnival. At the basin for uh, almost a year, price did break out in the month of June. Now you can see that for July, price put in this indecision candle, and then we had a gap down to begin the month of August. Before we continue with the analysis, let's look at this article. It is coming from the Motley Fool. Can Carnival maintain its growth amid market turbulence? Now, Carnival has been dealing with turbulence going back to the pandemic, and they continue to just raise capital until the economy opened up again. And they happened to find their legs last year, as people still love to cruise, no matter the situation. So Carnival recently faced a brevy of operational challenges and a high-profile incident that may leave some investors watching carefully for signs of additional headwinds. All right, so they recently reported earnings, um, and they reported a net loss of $407 million and a record second quarter revenue of $4.9 billion, surpassing expectations and illustrating the cruise line's financial resilience. This performance underscores the confidence and trust that Carnival's investors place in the company, indicating that isolated incidents have not significantly impacted demand or eroded confidence. In addition to record revenue, Carnival experienced an all-time high for bookings during the quarter, exceeding even its former record from the previous quarter. This surge in bookings underscores Carnival's customer resilience as travelers continue to choose Carnival for their cruise experiences, reflecting their strong belief in Carnival's ability to provide enjoyable and safe vacations. Now, Carnival has a terrific brand name in the space. Again, people love to cruise, but what will be interesting to see is the recent surge in COVID cases. The strand now, I believe, is called Iris, if that's going to serve as an additional headwind. Carnival's financial outlook for 2023 features impressive targets such as adjustable earnings before EBITDA and innovative cost management strategies. The strategy exemplifies Carnival's determination to address challenges while maintaining a trajectory of growth. All right. While Carnival confronts challenges from recent incidents, it remains resilient, adaptive, and committed to surmounting these hurdles. Again, case in point, the last 3 years, especially at the start of the pandemic. By maintaining a strong focus on financial performance, customer trust, and sustainability, Carnival appears poised to navigate turbulent waters and emerge even stronger, continuing its legacy as a leading cruise brand. All right. So, since reaching the recent highs at $20, price finds itself roughly 25% lower. This was a daily supplies level that I did not mark up, and we'll look at that. I believe I didn't think it was strong enough to hold off the buyers. And we do have this wick here, which stopped at $14 and then went higher. This is called a extended range green candle. So potentially there are buyers at this $14 level, but you also have a gap fill, which would be at 13. All right, so we see the momentum indicators are now pointing down. Prices below the 50-day moving average. There's no reason for price to stop until at least the $14, which is where that beginning of that extended range weekly candle began. But it's also right below the $14 is the 100-day moving average, which should serve as some type of dynamic support. Now, typically when price breaks a range, usually test the breakout before continuing higher. In this case, if the $14 level is not held, we're going to retest the 200-day moving average, which is right at the upper end of the range that was established for the better half of the last 12 months. So Carnival is not a buy at these levels. If you like Carnival, wait for a further pullback. I think between 12 and 14, look for some type of reversal candle or pattern before getting long. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.